Come get nothing else saving.
I've asked her about 5 times.
Jodie, I would, but it's a trek.
We'll get a taxi.
Asda. Right,
Why have you got money?
I've got over 15 quid.
jump it, you dickhead.
Me and Jodie jump a taxi. Really?
Why do you want Asda?
Really?
For some pot.
And I want some food.
Have you got money?
And I want some sleep, but I
Yeah.
can't because it's sweating.
I expect there's 2 girls, go. We'll walk them up to the top.
I'll walk them up with you.
See, you walk them up now, but you won't walk me fucking on.
Oh, is it? Well, I'm on the
Where's your Josh?
taxi.
No, it's where's your Josh?
Motherfucking meant get a taxi.
Hey, shit.
Yeah, we're making a taxi for our shop.
Yeah, just leave it. Just don't sleep, it's better. You've got another one too.
Will someone got garage for me for a pot?
For yourself. You
You've
got
got
your
his
own
pot
legs.
here.
If you got garage, what you doing to the bottom? At least.
If
Sorry,
you
you're
got garage,
fucking.
we'll
You're
all
walking
walk
then down
down
to the
here.
bottom. You're not walking fucking me nowhere. Look.
You won't be able to get in. They've shut doors. They lock them.
Believe me, I'll wave my money and up. It let me in last time.
Really?
Move up, Jodie. Look how much fucking move up.
I'm sorry, but it's really cold in that corner.
Oh, you don't get it. You just treat
This
this
is
fuck.
fucking evil. This someone starts fucking nuts.
Cody, you smoking your finger?